In this video, we'll talk about the communications to the BPI, also known as the Raven Bluetooth Pilot Interface device. Right now, we have COM port 49 selected, which happens for this system to be connected to a Raven BPI across a Bluetooth link. If I invoke my Bluetooth manager, I can see here that I'm talking to a particular device, Raven BPI, on COM port 49. Now, if I were to, using the Bluetooth manager, if I were to disconnect, notice the little chain link goes away, the data stops flowing, and AisClient will, after a certain amount of time, 15 seconds, try to get data again from that device. There it is, got the data back. So that's the automatic reconnect feature of AisClient to the BPI. Notice there are two radio buttons here. The one selected is Use BPI or Serial Port, and that allows you to select from this list here all the serial ports. Some of the serial ports are not Bluetooth. The ones below port 40 are not Bluetooth. If you were to select this radio button, use WPI or UDP port, then of course, if you notice what happens when I select that. Now AisClient is trying to open a UDP port so that it can communicate over Wi-Fi to the WPI. Let's go back to the BPI. Connects up and starts getting data. Now, let's say that for some reason the Bluetooth data link fails in the BPI, or maybe it failed on the laptop computer. We can connect the USB hard cable to the BPI, and then once we've connected it, we can select, we'll see this right here, BPI USB will be a selection out of this list. Let's click on that. And it'll turn out that this particular BPI USB hard cable selection here is going to be mapped to a particular COM port here. That went so fast you didn't see the COM port it was mapped to. But here, if you look down here, it says FTDI COM 5 opened OK. So that's the USB hard cable is mapped to FTDI COM port 5. Or just COM port 5, if you want to think of it that way. So, that's a quick rundown of how to use the communications capabilities of AisClient to connect to a BPI.